You were listening to State's witness Lyndon Allen. Remember, he was the rescuer, along with his cousin, of little Kyrie. John Carro here, I believe the defense attorney stepped on a bomb when he opened the door to what this witness thought was unusual in Freddie Clark's behavior that night, because now on redirect examination, the prosecutor's allowing him to delve into that issue.
Right, and I think what happened was whatever headway the attorney made on cross, and he pointed out a few inconsistencies, was probably negated by that last three questions that really would possibly bring the jury back to what really happened here. I mean, there were some inconsistencies. You didn't see a full frontal attack on the witness's credibility or his observations. There's some inconsistencies with the prior deposition testimony. But, you know, there were some inconsistencies with what he and the other witness said that really weren't attacked, because I think what's probably going to happen here is this is all going to hinge on the medical experts. There's not a big challenge to what went on there at this point.
You may be right about that. Now, when you said the other witness, you were referring to Lyndon's cousin, Douglas Allen. What do you think the strategy is for the defense here on cross-examination with Lyndon Allen?
Well, he went after him. I mean, he didn't go after the other witness at all. He went after him. He went after him in terms of his observations. He did end on a nice point. You didn't see him attempting to drown or have contact with his son. And the witness didn't fall for that bait. He said, no, I just saw an object. So the witness kept his cool there. He could have seemed like he was helping the prosecution, said, yeah, I saw him drowning the baby. Because remember, when the witness was looking at that, he didn't know what it was that he saw being pushed under. So the witness didn't fall into that trap. And I think the prosecutor came back and negated whatever positive cross that the defense attorney got with this witness. I don't think his credibility was severely challenged here.
Speaking of the object, of course, the defense never has a burden to prove anything to the jury. Here, though, they have created an affirmative defense. They will have to put up some evidence regarding insanity. But I imagine the jury is looking for an explanation for the white object the Allen cousins saw. If it wasn't the diaper, then what was it? So they'll be looking for that explanation if the defense has any hope of going forward and getting an acquittal in this case. John, thanks for taking time out of your busy trial schedule for joining us here at Court TV. Everyone, coming up next, Ray Brown will take you through the rest of the afternoon. I'll see you tomorrow at 12:30. Thanks for watching the trial with me.